Everyone, Jordy from FocusWorks here. Lisa bought me a GoPro for our wedding anniversary, so I'm pretty excited about that. I want to start doing some more videos for you. I thought I'd start today with I don't know, an update about what's going on here at FocusWorks shop. In my ongoing, what's the word? Attempt to expand my EDC line. We've got here I thought I'd show you what I'm working on the computer in my spare time. Look right here. You see that? So I'm gonna try for a pen for the first thing that we do to expand. Let's see what else is going on in the office here, and shipping and assembly and area. Hey, Lisa is getting into some hand engraving a little bit, so expect to see that once she gets the hang of it. We set up shipping in the shop now, so we moved it out of our living room and set up here. We've upgraded our foam. Right, believe it or not, custom cut foam is cheaper than what we were doing before. It's a holiday here up in Canada today, so it's quiet. I had a breakdown on my mill on Friday. I got a guy coming on Tuesday to fix it. Lathe is going to be making the scarab inlays today, so hopefully those should be ready to go really soon. This mill's doing something else. So yeah, that's about it. We're working on something exciting. I'm not going to say any more than that. Has something to do with Pluke's mention of sharks. So stay tuned for more information on that, and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.